In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix audio and video play and pause automatically on Windows 11. So let's get started. First thing is you have to click on the start button and click on settings. Then click on Bluetooth and devices. Then you'll find your Bluetooth. Simply switch the Bluetooth off. Okay? Simply switch the Bluetooth off. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. So make sure to turn off Bluetooth for the first method. Next method, click on System, click on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. Then here, simply click on audio with the run button corresponding to it. Click the run button that corresponds to audio. And also look for the video playback. Click the run button that corresponds to that. So run the audio and the video playback troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So simply follow that. Restart your Windows after the troubleshooting step is done. Then right click at the start button. Select Device Manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right-click on each driver, select Update Driver, search automatically. Right-click, Update, search automatically. Right-click, Update, search automatically. Right-click, Update, and then search automatically. Also expand the list for graphics card driver, which is the display adapters. Right-click, select Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.